Hello, and welcome. Today, let's talk about something powerful: how to develop a mindset that can truly defeat anything in your life. No matter what obstacles you face, a mindset like this can shift your entire reality. It's all about how you perceive the world, and more importantly, how you choose to react to it. What if I told you that the power to change your life lies within your mind, and it's something you already possess? To begin, understand this: the world is not as it seems. What you experience is a reflection of your inner beliefs. The key to defeating anything in your life, whether it's fear, doubt, or even external circumstances, is shifting the way you think about them. Your mind is not just a passive receiver of what happens around you, it is an active creator of your reality. You've always had the power to change it, but most people are simply unaware of it. Let's break this down. The first step in developing a mindset that can defeat anything is realizing that you control your thoughts. This is the foundation. Every thought you entertain has the potential to create or destroy, to uplift or tear down. So, what do you think about most often? What occupies your mind daily? If you're constantly thinking about problems, limitations, and fears, your reality will be a reflection of those thoughts. But if you choose to focus on what you desire, on solutions and possibilities, then your reality will begin to align with that focus. Your mind is like a garden. The thoughts you plant will eventually grow into the experiences you have. So, if you want to defeat negativity, defeat fear, or defeat self-doubt, you must change the seeds you're planting. Start by choosing thoughts that are aligned with your goals, with who you want to become. You cannot afford to allow the weeds of negativity to take root in your mind. You must consciously tend to it every single day. One of the most powerful things you can do is affirm the reality you wish to create. This isn't just wishful thinking, it's training your mind to focus on what's possible, not what's impossible. Imagine the life you want, the person you want to be, and speak those things into existence. When you affirm the life you want, you are programming your subconscious mind to accept it as truth. The more you believe it, the more it will manifest in your reality. But remember, this doesn't happen overnight. It requires consistent effort. The mind is powerful, but it can also be stubborn. You will encounter resistance. There will be days when you doubt the process, when things don't seem to change as quickly as you'd like. But this is where most people give up. They stop affirming, they stop believing, and they let doubt take over. But if you persist, if you continue to focus on the outcome you desire, you will start to see the shift. The key is consistency. Just as you wouldn't plant a seed and expect it to grow overnight, you must nurture your thoughts, your affirmations, and your beliefs consistently over time. Now, let's talk about one of the most important aspects of a mindset that can defeat anything: detachment from circumstances. Life will always throw challenges your way. There will always be external factors trying to pull you off course. But if you can learn to detach from these circumstances, you'll be able to rise above them. The way you react to challenges is what makes all the difference. The mindset of a winner is not someone who avoids challenges, but someone who doesn't allow challenges to dictate their state of being. When you face difficulties, you don't have to become them. You can observe them without getting emotionally entangled in them. This detachment comes from knowing who you truly are and understanding that you are not defined by what happens around you. You are not your circumstances. You are not your past. You are not the limitations you think you have. You are the creator of your reality. Your thoughts shape everything, and by detaching from the external, you reclaim your power to create the life you want. Let's get deeper into this idea. When you face a challenge, instead of allowing it to overwhelm you, ask yourself, what is this teaching me? How can I use this to grow? When you change your perspective like this, you begin to see challenges as opportunities, not obstacles. The truth is, every difficulty holds within it a lesson, and if you can learn to find that lesson, you will grow stronger, wiser, and more resilient. And with every lesson you learn, you move closer to becoming the person you've always wanted to be. Another key to developing a mindset that can defeat anything is self-belief. You have to believe in yourself, even when it feels like the world is against you. You must trust that you have what it takes to overcome any challenge. This belief isn't something that just magically appears, it comes from within, and it's built by consistently proving to yourself that you can handle whatever life throws your way. Start by acknowledging the small victories, the times when you overcame difficulties, even when it seemed impossible. These moments are proof of your inner strength. As you look back on them, you build your belief in yourself. But remember, self-belief also requires self-compassion. You can't defeat anything if you're constantly beating yourself up for your perceived failures. Treat yourself with kindness. Understand that growth is a process, and it's okay to stumble. It's not about being perfect, it's about getting back up, again and again, and continuing to move forward. Your mindset can only remain strong if you nourish it with love, patience, and understanding. Next, let's explore the power of visualization. Visualization is one of the most potent tools you can use to develop a mindset that defeats anything. When you visualize yourself succeeding, you are literally rewiring your brain to believe in that possibility. Visualization allows you to see your desired outcome before it happens, which helps your subconscious mind align with that vision. By vividly imagining yourself achieving your goals, you create a mental blueprint for success, and your mind works to bring that blueprint into reality. To visualize effectively, find a quiet space, close your eyes, and imagine the life you want. See it, feel it, experience it as if it's happening right now. The more detail you put into this visualization, the more real it becomes. Use all your senses. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Engage every part of yourself in the experience. This is how you create a mindset that doesn't just react to life, but actively creates the life you desire. You must also stay disciplined in your thoughts. Disciplined thinking means not allowing random, negative, or limiting thoughts to take hold. It's about recognizing when your mind begins to wander into places of doubt or fear and gently bringing it back to your desired outcome. Discipline doesn't mean suppressing your emotions or thoughts, it means being aware of them and choosing to focus on what serves you, rather than what distracts or discourages you. When you develop a mindset that can defeat anything, one of the most powerful things you can do is act as if. This is a technique used by many successful people. It's not about pretending to be someone you're not, it's about acting in a way that aligns with the person you wish to become. If you want to be more confident, act with confidence, even if you don't feel 100% confident just yet. The more you align your actions with your desired outcomes, the more your mindset will shift, and the more you will attract opportunities and situations that reflect your new belief system. If you find your thoughts slipping into negativity, you can practice techniques like affirmations or meditation to center yourself. Meditation is particularly helpful because it allows you to observe your thoughts without judgment. This observation helps you become more aware of the patterns in your thinking, so you can begin to change them. By practicing mindfulness, you can develop a deeper connection to your inner self and strengthen your ability to control your thoughts. Lastly, developing a mindset that can defeat anything requires faith. Faith in the process, faith in yourself, and faith in the unseen forces that are working in your favor. Even when things don't seem to be going your way, faith is the belief that everything is unfolding as it should. Trust in the journey, even when you can't yet see the destination. Faith fuels persistence, and persistence is key to overcoming any challenge. In conclusion, the mindset that can defeat anything is not about having everything go perfectly in life. It's about how you choose to respond when things get tough. It's about knowing that no matter the situation, you have the power within you to rise above it. So, take control of your thoughts, nurture your mind with positivity and belief, visualize your success, stay disciplined, and trust in the process. With a mindset like this, there is nothing you cannot overcome. Reminder, you have the power to create the life you want. Keep affirming your greatness, and don't let anything or anyone sway you from your path. Stay focused, stay determined, and watch how your world transforms. Now, before you go, if you found this message helpful, I'd like to ask for your support. If you haven't already, take a moment to like this video. It means the world to me and helps spread this message to others who might need it. You can also subscribe to this channel so you can stay up to date with more inspiring content like this. There's so much more to come, and I don't want you to miss it.